Imagine you and your best friend are caught stealing, but the police give you a choice: betray your friend and go free, or stay loyal and risk a long jail sentence. Would you sacrifice your friend to save yourself? This isn't just a moral question, it's the classic prisoner's dilemma, a problem that reveals why humans sometimes betray each other, even when cooperation is better. Meet Alice and Tom. They're caught stealing wallets. Normally 1 year in jail each. But here's the twist: the cops suspect one of them stole a valuable jewelry too. Alice can testify against Tom. If she does and he stays silent, she walks free and he gets 8 years. If they both stay quiet, just 1 year each. If they both betray, 3 years each. At first glance, staying quiet seems best. But let's see what game theory predicts. From Alice's perspective, if she testifies, she could get 1 year under 8 if Tom betrays, but if she doesn't testify, she could get 0, or 3 if Tom also testifies. Rationally, testifying seems safer, and Tom thinks the same. Game theory predicts both betray, 3 years each. Not ideal at all. But here's the interesting part: real humans don't always follow the math. Experiments show people are often more cooperative than theory predicts. Now imagine two gingerbread men, crispy and chewy, confronted by a mischievous fox. Do they help each other or betray? If they both help each other, they lose one limb each. If one betrays, the traitor runs free and the other loses everything. But if both betray, each loses 3 limbs. Like Alice and Tom, rationality predicts betrayal. But here's the twist: if the fox makes them repeat this forever, suddenly thinking about the future changes everything. If they value tomorrow even a little, cooperating today avoids infinite limb loss, a strategy game theorists call the infinite prisoner's dilemma. Basically, loyalty pays off when the game keeps going. This isn't just about cookies or criminals. The same logic appears in trade negotiations, politics, and even everyday teamwork. Self-interest may win in the short term, but cooperation, when structured correctly, leads to better outcomes for everyone. So, next time you face a tough choice, betray or cooperate, remember the prisoner's dilemma. Think beyond today. Consider the long game. Loyalty and cooperation can be more rewarding than pure self-interest. And if you ever run into a fox, maybe just help each other.